Hello guys, so I'm just doing this quick video, me and Josh the Real, because we were blessed this Christmas by one of our viewers and we were given a gift for the channel, and so I want to unbox this gift before everybody so that you all can share in my joy. It's evening. What kind of evening now? A rainy evening, and I'm here with Josh the Real. Let me show you what the gift is. Yes, so the gift is right here, and Josh the Real, we're gonna unbox this gift right now. And let me say this, it's a very, very, very beautiful gesture that somebody who watch our channel can, think about us in this way and decide to give us a gift. Right, Josh? Yeah. What do you think about that? That somebody decided to give us a gift for Christmas. That's good, sir? No, sir. You must can say something else. What would you want to say to the person?
Thank you for doing this again.
Yeah, just boring. Just thank you, sir. And obviously it's a nice size gift, so we know that we're gonna utilize it. And the viewer says this is for our channel, and we must look at it and see if we can guess why we were given this gift. And so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna open it and we're gonna be surprised. And let me tell you a little bit of the history of Yardie TV. This is how you keep the suspense going. Yardie TV was founded in a wee room a long time ago, when one Saint Hope thought to himself, I can do all things through Christ who strengthened me. And so I just want to thank all the little people who were here for the unboxing, those who sponsored the channel, those who purchased a t-shirt, those who stop the yawning and just so I'm gonna give them a speech, those who like, share and subscribe. I want to thank you at this time for this beautiful gesture of love and joy and peace. So without any more further ado, any more ados, babes? We need any more ados? Alright, so without further ado, we are going to pull this box now. Joshua, when I say on the mark, get set, you go, okay?
Just rip it out.
Eh? I don't know. He might ask if he must just rip up the box. Pull it decently that you can reuse the paper next year. Alright, Joshua. On your mark, get set, go! This is our gift. Woo-wee! 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 Ooh-wee! Ooh-wee! Yes, yes, yes. We were given a beautiful cuisine art set of knives in a butcher's block.
And scissors and stainless sharpener.
Now you have a real kitchen scissors.
Okay, now we get a real kitchen scissors. That's the reason why we got this gift, because we never have no kitchen scissors and we were using one regular scissors. Thank you so much. Thank you so very much. Thank you. Thank you. I mimic Joshua. Joshua, lift it up now. Yeah. Who it is? Who it is, please? Thank you. All right, guys, somebody knocked, so let me go answer the door and come back. Here you go. See the butcher's block here. That's the butcher's block. And those are the knives. Thank you so much. Yeah? I've got to put my knife them into the... No, another knife. I promise you another knife. Let me tell you what. The scissors. Well, where you use one regular old scissors to cut up the food. Sorry, Dave. So this is the problem why I got this gift. I can tell you without any apology. This is a regular scissors where you use cut clothes, and we had to adjust it for the use of the channel. And the viewer says they just could not bear it any longer. They had to reach out to us and say, make we give my scissors, make we sorry for you and give my scissors. So that is the reason why. God is a good God. Thank you so much. We appreciate you for everything that you have done. Yes, make we put it together now and put it on the table side of the decoration or the wife decoration. Because from Christmas she had dead over for her decoration. From Thanksgiving. So I'm gonna put this beside it. No, let me show that. That the scissors there. That the scissors there. That the scissors there for go out the door. Can we get new scissors, foreign scissors in with it. See the gift? Look at that. Eh? All of these Wallipa knife come, and then this the real scissors here with all knife sharpener and upper. So yes, watch and see how it look good when it done. Okay, so look at this, guys. Look at this right here. This beautiful designer knife set. Oh, it look good. Oh, it look honey.
I love it.
You like it?
Beautiful.
It looks very nice. Yes.
The kitchen official now.
Nobody can tell me say I'm a chef now, you know. And I know, as I said, this is the reason why I got this gift, because I was using the wrong tool. And somebody who love you and love what you do, they said you cannot be using this tool in your nice kitchen. It have all buckle opener. Said more open one of the liquors them up there so we can dig it.
Shout out to my arrangement.
Oh Lord Jesus. The arrangement now have nothing to do with it, my girl. Yes man, so it's nicely crafted by Cuisine Art. Beautiful chef's knife. Yeah. And they have one of the Chinese style knife them. Look there, look how it glistening. Look how it glistening. But I don't know if I'm going to use it. Because you know when people get new things, them don't really want to use it. Eh? Look at the knife sharpener. Joshua sell it. No, you can't touch my knife. I'm not crazy. I'll watch it. The bread knife. This is the utility knife. Serrated utility knife. Either one there, Brother Watson, or the bread knife that. Oh, these are the utility knife. See it here? And the long one is the bread knife. Yes. And it looks so good. Me no know. Them you got ketchup dust, cause them nah use. Watch a paring knife. Jeez peace. Paring knife when you cut meat around the bones and stuff. This is for when you're cutting fish. You use this one. The serrate with bird beak. Paring knife. Yeah. When Brother Watson deal with the fish, and this is the slicing knife. If anybody come in my yard late at night, they shall be sliced.
So once again, you guys, just a big thank you to Miss Tanya Johnson and her family. And you know what, we were a little bit apprehensive about mentioning her name, but you know what, going on a biblical principle where I think the Bible mentioned, you know, giving in secret and being rewarded openly. I think it's only fitting that, you know, based on our appreciation, that we, you know, make it known.
True.
You know, so yeah.
True. It is such a beautiful gift. I mean, I'm not even sure we're gonna use it. One thing I'm sure so we're gonna use are the scissors. Yeah, because I know this is the reason why we got this gift. And you know what? It is so awesome that, you know, you're with us on the channel, and you see there is a little bit of a need maybe, and you chose to reach out to us, and with this awesome gift, you gave, I think, a lot of thought to this gift, don't it? And we appreciate it.
Yeah, and for anyone else out there, don't be shy. I mean, if you feel like giving, don't hold back, do your thing.
Yeah, we ain't blocking you. But we want to wish our subscribers a Merry Christmas. Well, Christmas gone. But we want to say have a Happy New Year, all the best for 2020. And Yardie Belly TV is committing ourselves to put out good quality material in an environment where everybody putting out stuff. You can count on what Yardie Belly TV puts out to be wholesome, to be educational, entertaining, and delicious.
Yes.
So remember, all the best for 2020. Me just love we gift. It looks so good. And thanks once again to Miss Tanya Johnson from Florida, and her family, her husband, and her children, and her mother, and her sister, and everybody that concerned her. Our boss at work. We just thank everybody we know her. Yeah? Because that's what the thing said. Yardie Belly TV. New knife, new scissors. Things that got chopped up around here. Remember me tell you. Live and laugh. Cook and eat. In the Middle East.